we are on week 6. I just got done wiping my table with the Clorox and the napkin. I went on and skipped wearing the goggles because I'm a little bit sick and I'm breathing through my mouth. If I wear the goggles, I fog them up, but I know that I'm supposed to wear the goggles. Again, I'm a little bit sick, so I'm not going to wear them this time. I'm doing my exercise 1, which is the salt tolerance testing, and I'm going to incubate for 48 hours. So I will do exercise 1. I have my NaCl tubes here. I have the 1%, the 7%, and the 15%. And so I labeled each one of these, the 1, the 7, and the 15, my epi for the epidermis. And then on the back I have the 1, the 7, and the 15, and they are for the yeast, and they're labeled each one of them. I will follow directions, and so it's asking me to light up my candle. So this is a candle I'm using, and so I just light up my candle. It's asking me to put my pipettes into the alcohol, and so I did. I have my alcohol here. It's asking me to remove the lid from the 1% of the yeast, which is this one, and pass the opening to the candle. And then it's asking me to get 2 drops from the actual broth that I have. So I'm running this through here. I'm going to settle it down. I'm just going to settle it in the back, standing there. And then I'm going to get my yeast, which is this here. And it's asking me to get my pipette. I'm going to go ahead and run this through the light. I'm gonna get my pipette, and I can smell it. It's got like a weird smell. And I'm gonna get some and settle it back on the cup. And it's asking me to do 2 drops of this into the NaCl1. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1, 2, and the rest I'm gonna drop back in. And I'm going to put my pipette back into the alcohol. I'm going to run this through the light again to the fire and close it up. And I'm just going to mix it all together and put it back. It's asking me to repeat the same for the 7 and the 15. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm not sure if I can do it right now or if I should do it off the video. I'll go ahead and do it now. It's basically the same thing I did with the other. I'm going to go ahead and open up and do both, since they're both going to be the same. I'm going to settle those there. I'm going to get my pipette. I'm going to get the yeast and do 2 drops into each. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to drop the rest. That's the lid for that. And this one back here. Close it up. And then so I went on, and it's asking me to take a photograph of my inoculated NaCl broths. It's also asking me to do the same for the epidermis. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, what I just did to all 3 back here. And this is my epi. I'm done with the yeast. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. And I'm going to work with what I have left of the epi. It's not much, but hopefully it'll be enough to finish up this lab. I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 drops into each one of these. And take a picture of them, and then I will come back. Thank you.